Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Phonics. Today's Tuesday, the 2nd of June. Now, you are going to need quite a few things today. I've listed them here on the screen, but you're going to need paper, a pencil, a stone or something to throw, and a piece of chalk. It will all become clear soon. Please remember, when you see this symbol, press pause and spend a little bit longer having a go at some of the activities. Why don't you do that now while you collect all those things that you'll need? And press play when you're ready to start. Alright, we're going to get started with some tricky words today. Now, before the half-term holiday, we learnt some new tricky words. Just let me write them down for you. Here's the first two. Okay, they both sound the same, but they've got a different letter at the start. Whisper those to your grown-up right now. Yeah, that's right. The first one says some, and the second one says come. Well done. And then we had this one. Okay, whisper that one to your grown-up too. Yeah, that's right. Well remembered. So the word here is there. So we've got some, come, and there. All of those are tricky, so you can't blend them. You can do some bits. Okay, now remember on some, that does a s. On come, that does a k. And on there, that does a v. So there's little bits that we can do. Right, enough of that. Let's play a game. I'm going to show you some tricky words, and all you've got to do is shout them at the screen. Are you ready? Simple game. Here we go. The. To. I. No. Go. Into. She. He. We. Me. Be. Was. You. They. All. Are. My. Her. Well done. I bet you did really great with that job. Fantastic. Okay, get your paper and get your pencil ready. We're going to play tricky word, quick, write. Okay? So I'm going to write a tricky word for you. You're going to look at it, shout it at me, photocopy it with your eyes. I'm going to rub it out and give you 10 seconds to write it as many times as you can. Okay, we've played this before. Are you ready? Here we go. This is your first tricky word. Okay, shout that one at the screen. What does it say? Well done. It says so. So it's got two letters, S and O. A S sound, and then the letter O makes its name O, not its phoneme O. Okay? I'm going to rub it out. You get 10 seconds to write that word as many times as you can. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, show me your paper. Fantastic. I think you all remembered those two letters. So we had the S and the O. So, fantastic work. Well done. Right, here comes another one. Okay, shout that word at me. I can't hear you. Yeah, that's right. Into. The word is into. It's made up with two words. We've got in, and then we've got the tricky word to. Okay, how many times can you write that in 10 seconds? Are you ready? Steady, go. Brilliant job. Show me your work. Fantastic. Did you write it like me? Into. Good job. Well done. Okay, here we go. Another one. Okay, this is one of our new tricky words. This one's quite difficult. Shout it at me. Brill. Well done. Yeah, that's right. Totally. It says said. Okay, strange one, this one. Said. You ready? 10 seconds. How many times can you do it? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, show me your paper. Whoa, fantastic. Okay, I'll write it again. Let's just check your work. Have you got the same letters as me? Well done, fantastic. Really difficult one, that one. Okay, now, hardest one of the morning. Are you ready? This word as many times as you can. Shout it at me first. Yeah, that's right. I. Are you ready? How many times can you do it in 10 seconds? 3, 2, 1, go. Brilliant. Show me your work. Yeah, well done, I. That's an easy one. It's just the capital letter I saying the word. Good job. Now, this is the bit where you'll need your chalk and your stone. Okay, I've written some tricky words on the screen for you, and there's a picture there as well. And what you've got to do, go outside with your grown-up and write lots of those tricky words on your driveway or in your back garden with your piece of chalk. You could even do it on your wall if you wanted to. And then your grown-up's going to shout a word at you, and you're going to see if you can throw your stone to land on it. Okay, it might be that you've got a bean bag or something soft as well if you want to throw. Okay? It might be that you want to time yourself. How many can you land on in 1 minute or 2 minutes? Okay? Right, hit pause and come back when you've had a good go. Hi, welcome back. Did you enjoy that game? Good, it's lots of fun, that one. You can squirt the words on your wall as well with a water pistol or something. Right, so today I really want to talk to you about these two letters. S and T. Now, when S and T are adjacent consonants at the ends of words, they make sense. Let me show you. Let's blend this word together, okay? V-E-S-T, vest. Can you see the S and the T at the end of that word? There they are. St. They make sense. That's okay. Here's another one. Okay, let's blend this one. F-A-S-T, fast. Okay, you see the S and the T? There they are at the end of the word, and they make sense. We go S and T, fast. Okay, one more. Let's try it. Okay, you blend this one with your grown-up first. I'll just show you this digraph here. Yeah, that's right. B-E-S-T, burst. Again, the S and the T at the end of the word makes total sense. St. Now, when these two letters go at the beginning of a word, they sometimes don't make sense. Let me show you. Here's a word. The word is stop. Can you see the S and the T there at the beginning of the word? Me too. But it doesn't sound like that when I say the word. Listening again. Stop. 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 What it actually sounds like is this. These words sound like they have an S and a D at the beginning of them. Stop. Here's another one. Let me show you. The word says step. Step. You say it. That's right. Step. Now it's got an S and a T at the beginning. We can see them there. But actually, it sounds like this. Step. So every time you get an S and a T at the beginning of a word, it sounds like an S and a D. Now what you have to remember is we never, ever, ever in a million, billion years, ever write an S and a D at the beginning of a word. If it sounds like an S and a D, it's gonna be our S and T. And this is one of those tricks that you're just going to have to remember. So every time you hear a S-D at the beginning of a word, you've got to think, right, I know that's not an S-D, because that never ever happens. It's gonna be an S and a T. S-T. Okay, so we're going to practice that a little bit. I'm going to show you some words and we're going to segment them together. Okay? Okay, and just so that you know, they're all going to sound like they've got an S-D at the beginning of the word. But we know that we never ever write that. It's going to be an S and a T. So this word here is stack. You say it. Come on now, louder. I can't hear you. Stack. Brilliant. Did you hear what was at the beginning of stack? That's right. It sounds like a S-D at the beginning of stack. But we know for sure that we never, ever, ever write an S and a D at the beginning of the word. It doesn't happen. It's always an S and a T. So here we go. S-T. What was in the middle of stack? Brill, well done. I heard an A too. The A phoneme. S-T-A. How does it finish? K. Well done. What's that I can hear you say? There's a short vowel, A. Brilliant. So it's gonna be the double consonant. Stack. Blend with me. S-T-A. Stack. Still sounds like an S and a D, doesn't it? Here's one for you. Okay, so this word is stick. You say it? Stick. Well done. Louder now. Stick. Fantastic. Right. Hit pause and have a go at segmenting stick. Okay, have you got it? Well done. Show me, show me. Brilliant. Brilliant. Well done. Everybody remembered the S and the T. Stick. Okay, so it should look a little bit like this. Stick. Stick. I know it's not a D. It's going to be a T. St. I in the middle. Now, I is a short vowel. So usually my K is going to be a double consonant. Stick. Blend with me, everyone. S, t, I, k. Stick. Well done. One more. Okay, so here's the picture. Now this person is stood. You say it. Well done. A little louder. Stood. Stood. Fantastic. Well done. I'll just give you a quick top tip. The U in this word is made by a digraph. Just give you that top tip. Press pause and have a go at segmenting stood. Okay, show me, let me see your paper. Well done, you all remembered the S and the T at the beginning, even though stood sounds like it's got an S and a D. Okay, let's have a look. This is what I wrote. Stood. S, t, even though it sounds like a D. St, oh. Now I said this was a digraph, didn't I? Oh, I remember. Double O also makes the U phoneme. St, U, d. Stood finishes with a D. Blend with me. St, U, d. Stood. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Now let's see if you can put all of that together and read some sentences. Okay, so I'm going to write a sentence, a question sentence, and I want you to press pause when I've finished and have a go at reading it with your grown-up. Now inside of it I'm going to put some words that have an S-T at the beginning of them. Here's your first one. Okay, now some of these are tricky words and some of these are words that you can blend. I'm just going to put sound buttons underneath a couple of them just to help you if you want to blend. Okay? Press pause and read that sentence for me. Okay, welcome back. Did you spot the two tricky words? We had this one here. What did that one say? Yeah, well done. That says you. And then we had this tricky word here. Yeah, the. Okay, let's see if we can read this all together. Can. Can you? Oh, here we had the word that we needed to blend, didn't we? So it's got an S, T, st at the beginning. St, art. Start. Well done. Okay, here we go. Can you start the? Well remembered. Can you start the car? Read the whole thing. Can you start the car? Well read. Fantastic. Okay, I'm going to give you another one. Okay, here's another one. Now this has got two words in with a st at the beginning of them. I bet you can spot them. It's only got one tricky word. Okay, let me pop the sound buttons underneath just to help. Okay, now press pause and have a go at reading that with your grown-up. Okay, did you spot the tricky word? Yeah, that's right, it's there. It's the same as the one that we had in the last sentence. The word is you. Did you remember that one? Good job. Okay, now, if I remember correctly, I think I used this first word as well. Do you remember what it said? Yeah, that's right, can. Can. Okay, let's get reading. Can you? Well done. Can you? Right, let's blend. S, t, a, n, d. Stand. Can you stand on stilts? Stilts. Let's read the whole thing. Can you stand on stilts? Well done. Great reading. Okay, well done everyone. Now remember, you've got 3 things to do. Print off the pack, have a go at the activities inside of it, visit the spelling shed for your brand new games to practice spellings, all of them today with st. at the beginning of them. And don't forget to log on to Active Learn Primary. On there are all your reading books. Okay, we'll see you again really soon. Bye.